Are you looking for a job, an opportunity to improve your life? Or maybe you are struggling with your finances, work and business. Who we are. FRM Group is a movement of professional real estate entrepreneurs and investors worldwide. What we can provide: learn how to manage financial problems, starting a business, managing business. Our vision: to see every entrepreneur worldwide better themselves, unlocking their full potential. Our mission: to create jobs, to train and motivate, to provide proper guidance for every entrepreneur towards their business journey. Opportunities in joining the group: 1. Learn to think like an investor and earn in real estate assets. 2. Learn to think like an entrepreneur and earn as a real estate agent. 3. Discover and enhance skills on how to achieve financial stability and sustainability. 4. Starting a business without capital/putting up money. This is your chance to make your life better.